Good morning, students. Today I would be showing you how to do the project work which has come for you as a project for vacation homework. So switch on your computer or laptop. Now the project says on page 35, create a new document in Microsoft Word 2010 and write a letter to your friend inviting him or her to your birthday party. Okay, insert a picture from a file in the document and format it so that it looks appealing. Save the document as birthday invitation. So I'll be showing you how to create a Word document, creating a new document, and then you will type a letter in it for your friend as an invitation. We will insert a picture in that and then save the document in Word. That's project number 1. Okay, so let's start, children. So first of all, we need to open Microsoft Word. So on your desktop, if you can see Microsoft Word, just open that, or you may go to start and search for the program, or else you can just type on the search bar Microsoft Word. Okay, so it will show you the software Microsoft Word. Click on it, it will open. So this is the screen of Microsoft Word, children. If you see, you click on blank document. Click on blank document. Okay, so this is the screen that you get in Microsoft Word when you create a new document. On the title bar, you will see document 1 Word, because we have not saved the file. It is showing as document 1. Now you will start typing a letter to your friend. You may type around 4 to 5 lines. Okay, letter to invite. You write whatever message you want your friend for the birthday party. I'm just writing one line, children. You may just write a proper formal letter inviting your friend. Okay, now children, in this chapter 3, creating a Word document, there are many commands which are to be done. Okay, so I'll teach you step by step how to format a document. We have already created a document by going to file and new. Now we will do the formatting part. Okay, so whenever you want to format a document, first always highlight that part of the document. Okay, now if you see on the formatting toolbar, you have the style of writing. Here it is Calibri body. You can select whichever style you want from this. Choose whichever style you want. Okay, then you have the font size. You choose the font size whichever you want. Okay, so the size becomes a little larger. Okay, now next to font size, you have a with a up arrow, that is grow font. The size increases if you see. Okay, next to that we have a with a down arrow, that is shrink font. If you keep on clicking on that, the size of the font decreases like this. Okay, so A with an up arrow is grow font, and this is the shrink font, A with a down arrow. Now next below that is, children, B. B stands for bold. If you click on B, it will bold your text. Then you have next is I, italics. It gives a little slanting effect, I, italics. Then next to I, you have U, underline. So if you see the text, it has got underlined. Okay, now next to that you have A with a underlined font color. You can change the color of your text. Choose whichever color you want. There is an option more colors. You can go to more colors and select a particular color from more colors. Click on OK. This is how the color changes. Okay, you want to see the letters of the text straight. You don't want the italics form. So go again to I and click on it. So it will get back to normal. Okay, that is italics. Then you have the alignments, left alignment, this gives you the left alignment, center alignment, then you have the right alignment, it comes to the right hand side of the margin, and the last one is justify. Justify gives you exactly between the left and the right margin. Okay, so in this project you are going to use all these formatting commands. If you see, it is there on the formatting toolbar: font style, font size, grow font, shrink font, bold, italic, underline, and font color, and these are the alignment of the margins: left, center, right, and justify. Okay, so now I have written a few things in my document. The project says that save the document with the name birthday invitation. Before that it says insert a picture in the document. Okay, so how do we insert a picture in a document? You go to the insert menu, click on the insert menu. Okay, in the insert menu you will click on pictures. Okay, click on pictures. Now in this you have some saved pictures. On my PC there are no pictures, so you can go to camera roll. If not, then you go to insert and go to clip art.